Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to be showing you around the exterior of the vehicle, and I'm also going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of this beautiful Mperformance 435D M Sport Coupe. As you can see there, it's presented in the black sapphire metallic, and all the way around this vehicle is equipped with BMW's fantastic 4 Mperformance kit, and that is partly fitted with the carbon fibre and satin and gloss parts, and all of which you'll see as we go around the car. So at the front of the vehicle, you'll not only see it's a 2017 plate, we've got that outstanding carbon fibre front splitter, along with the Mperformance kidney grills, and of course those very eye-catching angel out and xenon headlamps. The alloy wheels for the vehicle are the 20-inch genuine 405 Mperformance alloy wheels, finished in the original Bi-Orbit grey colour. And at the front, we just added 2 new brand new tyres. Down the side of the vehicle, you'll see that black sapphire metallic is in fantastic condition on this car, and not only that, the genuine BMW Mperformance side vinyls, side bars, and of course the Mperformance decals. Moving on for our first glance at the interior for the car, which for this vehicle we've got an equally special interior, being that it is in the shape and form of the M Highlights black Dakota leather, with both the electric movement, memory, and of course heated option. By M Highlights, I do of course mean we get this lovely M Highlight 3 stripes there, and throughout we get this lovely blue stitching. And as you can see there, the interior trim is configured for the brushed aluminium and high gloss black. In the 435D, we of course got that superb sophisticated X-Drive 4-wheel drive alongside the 8-speed sports automatic. You'll find in the rear seats we've got the Isofix 2x2 seats, centre folding armrests and storage tray, alongside that very nice darkened M Sport headlining, which really gives this car a very nice interior feel, along with the exterior that looks very nice with all of this combination. There you can again see just how nice those alloy wheels are. At the rear of the car, it does come with the Dunlop Sport Max tyres, and we'll move round to the very rear, which may be my favourite part of this vehicle, the genuine carbon fibre Mperformance rear spoiler. There you can of course see the rear diffuser alongside the 435D and X-Drive badges. Although it does of course have that sophisticated 4-wheel drive system, you don't lose any rear passenger compartment space or even luggage compartment space, which is of course always a huge factor when looking to purchase any vehicle. You've also got split folding seats to further enhance that very large boot area. Moving around to the other side of the car, again we can show you that this vehicle is in fantastic condition, and it's going to be a very sought after model thanks to that full BMW Mperformance kit. And I'm going to move around now and go ahead to take a seat inside the vehicle, and again just run you through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting of course with the beautiful professional wide navigation and media screen, which is not only a delight to use, it does of course incorporate a few more functions and features as opposed to the other screens available. Starting with the navigation function, which utilises real-time traffic updates to of course keep you on the fastest route possible. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, right the way through from DAB to music collection, USB and AUX inputs, and of course the all-important Bluetooth audio. As well as Bluetooth audio, you've also of course got Bluetooth telephone. Heading back to the main menu, in a second we'll go ahead and check out the service requirements and service history for this 435D. Down here, however, we've got the dual climate controls, which of course will also have your switches for these lovely heated M Highlight seats. Across here, you'll see that this vehicle's covered just over 44,000 miles. On our multifunction M Sport steering wheel, we also find cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, along with our flappy paddles for our 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Going across into the service requirement screen, there you can see that the next oil service or next service is not due for 15,000 miles time, and everything is highlighted in green. And at the very top is our service history screen, where you can now see that this vehicle comes with full BMW service history, which is of course always a very nice peace of mind. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. For further information on this stunning car, along with all of our other vehicles, please remember that in the description below you'll find a link to our website, along of course with direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Once again guys, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.